Over the past few weeks, I've found myself having the same conversation over and over again with clients, whether they are our buyers or our sellers. This conversation relates to the conflicting narratives in the real estate market right now. I find that both sellers and buyers are having difficulty adapting to the current market. And what is the responsibility of real estate agents in guiding the expectations of buyers and sellers? What is true? Active inventory is up 12.2% year over year. Month supply of inventory at 2.7 months is up 3.8% year over year. Showings per listing are up 11.8% year over year. Pending sales are up 27.7%. The average selling price is up 1.8% year over year. The average list price to sell price is 98. This is a return to a normal market. However, we haven't seen a normal market in more than half a decade. When buyers and sellers don't have accurate expectations of the market, we're left with sellers who are pricing too high. We're left with buyers who are offering too low and have unrealistic expectations about what kind of deal they can get on a particular property. The other thing I've noticed is that we have agents who have no idea, apparently, how to guide their clients with accurate expectation. If you take a portal like Zillow, for example, and you look up a particular property, then right below the listing, they're going to give you an opportunity to connect with a local expert who is supposedly able to show you the property and help guide you in the market conditions in that local area. Unfortunately, what we've seen time and time again is that these agents who are bringing buyers to our listings have no expertise, no background, no experience in the area where the listing is located. And this leads to inaccurate advice. Time and again, we've sold listings in the past few months at very, very fair terms, but also very balanced terms. Buyers and sellers are both winning on value, on due diligence, on contingencies in this market. But usually what we see prior to receiving the offer that actually turns into the transaction that succeeds in selling the listing is one or more unfortunate offers that are incredibly low and have terms that are very much one-sided to the buyer. And I have to guess that this is because the buyer agent that is guiding the buyer doesn't have an understanding of the market. Ultimately, this means that that buyer misses out on the opportunity to own a home. I guess it could be that they could not afford, their budget would not support a purchase of the particular listing that they were looking at, and maybe the buyer agent gave them a hope that they should offer low. And when I say low, I mean like 10 to 12% off the current list price. But ultimately, those offers don't go very far at all. I would say current expectations are sellers should expect more showings before offers. They should expect maybe some unrealistic offers before they see an offer that is realistic and in accordance to current market conditions. Patience is important. Presentation is important. But also pricing is paramount. Overpriced listings either don't generate any offers or only generate offers that are unrealistic. I think that buyers who are well informed and have accurate expectations of this market feel like they have a lot of choice and they can wait on other opportunities if the seller in front of them chooses not to take the offer seriously. So are conflicting narratives a problem in our current market? Yes, they are. Are agents failing to guide their buyers and sellers with accurate expectations? It seems like it, but I still believe that in this market, buyers and sellers can feel safe and confident buying and selling real estate with trusted advice and careful guidance. Reach out to us today if we can be of help.